Welcome back to the RepRapGuru Prusa i3 video build guide. In this video, we'll be attaching the Y belt block to the bed frame. In this video, you'll need the bed assembly, a stepper motor, a gear, a belt, some pliers and a screwdriver, the plastic parts for the belt holder, and some various hardware to put everything together. We're going to begin by taking this pulley and attaching it to the motor. You're going to want to make sure that one of the set screws is on the flat edge of the shaft. And then once you've aligned it, go ahead and tighten that down with your screwdriver. Once that's on, you're going to want to put it on the frame. We'll do this by taking the two shorter bolts and screwing them into the plastic part and then through the motor. The pulley is going to face the left side of the printer. Once you've attached it, it should look like this, with the connector facing the front of the printer. In this next part, we're going to be attaching the Y belt holder onto the acrylic bed. We're going to begin by taking the lock nuts and placing them in the nut traps. Then we're going to take two bolts with washers on them and attach this to the underside of the acrylic bed. When you're all done, it should be firmly in place. For this next part, we're going to be putting the belt through the pulleys and into the belt holder. We're going to begin by placing the belt through the front pulley. And then we're going to take the other end and put it around the tooth pulley on the motor. You should end up with two pieces on the bottom with teeth facing upwards. This is what these small pieces here are going to clamp onto. You're going to want to place those tooth side down on the ends of the belt. And then once you've placed nuts in the nut traps, like so, you should be able to just screw right down into them. This will firmly hold the belt in place. Now the trick is to get the belt taut as you put on the second part. You may need to cut your belt to length in order to do this. So you're going to want to put tension on the belt and then hold the part down. Once you tighten it, the belt should be tight in place, and the whole assembly should move as one. That's it for this video. In the next video, we'll be assembling and mounting the Y-axis motor.